What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Tommy Hilfiger video. Today we're checking out the Tommy Revisited Britney Spears Music Edition. You guys, I swear, I manifested this capsule about a year ago when I made this video right here. For anyone that doesn't know, Tommy is the sponsor for Britney Spears' first ever tour. So to have like my favorite pop culture artist and my favorite fashion designer collab is insane and obviously means the world to me. So today, what I got right here is the Britney Music Revisited Edition pieces in these bags. Super excited to get these open. We're going to talk a little bit about this capsule and have a Tommy Hilfiger experience. So if you're interested, grab yourself a snack, perhaps a drink, and keep on watching. Do yourself a favor and check out my Tommy Hilfiger Britney Spears video that I put out like a year ago. I'll link it up here and down below. But basically, I talk in depth more about the Britney Spears and Tommy Hilfiger campaign and collab and all that fun stuff that if you're a Britney lover and Tommy lover, you're going to want to hear about. In fact, I also unboxed this Britney Spears Barbie doll. And I'm probably like, why are we talking about a Barbie in a Tommy video? Well, this right here, this jean overall set is actually inspired by the Tommy jeans jean set that she won during her tour. So there's like pictures on here where she was wearing her Tommy jeans piece and talks a little bit about the Baby One More Time tour, and it's incredible. So I had to get this. So like that's why if you ever seen my previous Tommy videos, I have this displayed. Also back there, that is the campaign photo of their collab as well. So pretty sick. The photos are phenomenal, and you know, that video I just basically devoted to Britney and Tommy, kind of like today's video, but this is just, again, something I feel like I manifested hardcore, and here we have it. In these bags, like, this manifestation's kind of creepy, but I'm waiting for it to happen for, like, me to be in a campaign with Tommy Hilfiger, so still waiting on that one, hopefully one day soon. Enough talking though, let's get these bags open and check out this collab. Now, I was a little shocked about the prices, but then again, Tommy's capsule pieces they're usually more expensive than the normal, you know, products on their website. So for a Britney Spears and Tommy collab, I'll pay what I gotta pay. This is the t-shirt. Oh my gosh. I see her right there. Are you kidding me? I could only hear it.
It's Britney, bitch.
Amazing. Oh my God. She's not that innocent, although she looks it, but this is incredible. I did see on the like purchase, there's like kind of like a backstage pass looking thing. I'm hoping that this actually comes with that because that would be phenomenal. Oh, it does! Shut up! Oh my goodness. This is so cool. Oh my God. So that's the tag. The details that Tommy provides when it comes to these experiences with capsules is insane. It's amazing. Oh my God. This is so freaking cool. Tommy Revisited Music Edition. This is insane. Oh my God. So I got a size large, by the way, in case you're wondering like what size is that? This is a large, and it's definitely oversized. Like I was expecting for it to be big, but no, it's a good fit. I like this is not a form like muscle tee. Like I was expecting for this to be a little bit bigger. The fronts, amazing. We're loving how this is like the Baby One More Time vibe. That's photos from it. And it says Britney Spears in like the Tommy colors. Oh my God. What does it say on here? Tommy Jeans, 1999 New York City, 2021 Britney Brands. Like this is how it comes. There's the backstage pass looking thing right there. And it's not just your normal tag. Like that is so cool. These details are insane. I love that. And this is the back. A little bit of a description on there. And then we have this piece, which is just like a fabric talk and whatnot, but oh my, now the back is just as like amazing. I wonder if My City's on there. Let's see, because I think that she did come to Pennsylvania, but she came to Hershey and Scranton. Oh my, I'm from Scranton, guys. Scranton, PA. Hello, how are ya? And she came to Scranton for her first ever tour. And I was, gosh, how old was I? I was probably like, I don't even know, to be honest. I was a kid. So I didn't see her for this tour, but I did see Britney Spears on the other hand for the Oops, I Did It Again tour in Scranton. So this is so cool that it actually has my city's name on there. I love it. Oh my God, this is incredible, guys. And the quality, I must say, definitely feels very nice. And I feel like, this is my personal opinion, anything that Tommy Jeans puts out for the capsule, the quality is always like elevated. I did express some concerns when it comes to like the dye and the coloring of some of the capsule tees, but out of all of them that I've seen this year, 2021, this is definitely like produced the best, I must say. So I'm very happy. I love this. I'm gonna cherish this. I kind of want to get another one just to like put away and never wear, but you better believe I'm gonna be wearing this. Like, this is iconic. We're gonna take a break for a moment and actually try on these shirts, because I'm not gonna do this whole video without trying on this shirt. Are you kidding me? We need to provide and show what these look like. And I have to say, so far they feel very soft. Oh my, and don't mind me, I'm in sweats because I'm home and comfy. But wow. So this is a size large. Fits pretty good. I'm about like 5'11". It's my height. Oh my God, let's see the back. Hopefully it looks as good as I'm expecting it to look, but I love this. I feel like this shirt with a distressed pair of jeans, or even if you want to dress it up somehow, you probably can, but I love it. One more piece here. So there is a Tommy piece that is Britney Spears related that I did not pick up because I ordered this right when it went live, and now they put out a kind of like a sweatshirt, and I didn't get it. It's a little, that one's definitely pricey. I'll put it up here if you want to check it out, but it's in black. I really do love myself a good black shirt, but maybe I'll treat myself to that for like a birthday present or whatever. But let's get this open this very aggressively. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can see it. This color though is a little questionable. I have to say, this is definitely not the color that I would typically like go for, but it's cute. Is this not cute? That's a nice pink. We're going into winter, so pink is definitely not part of my color palette, but for Britney Spears and Tommy Hilfiger, I'll do what I gotta do, okay? This is so cute. Oh my God. So this looks, okay, so we have the exact same backstage right there. Just in case you guys are wondering, there's nothing different about this one, but the color matches this shirt like almost spot on. So that's really cool. This is an oversized long sleeve tee, and the picture that you see that's on the backstage pass is right there. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. That is so cool. This is very soft, very, very soft. So they actually had like options for men, for women. I'm surprised they didn't make this unisex and just like make all the sizes like oversized or whatever, but they didn't. But I'm loving how it does say Britney and the Tommy like logo. Beautiful. That's honestly, I never thought I would see that, and I love it. Here's an example of what I was saying when it comes to like the way that the coloring and the dye is produced for these capsules, because some of them have this effect, which I was told by a few people. If you can see like the crackling right there, I know it's minimal, but I was told by a few people that it's like intentional to give it like a patina, an age type finish, because these are like, you know, band tees in a way. Even though Britney Spears is not a band girl, she's just a legend. But I think that that's the vibe they're going for. I'm gonna go with that, because for $60, for it to be unintentionally cracked like that,
not cute.
But either way, I love this. The sleeves are really cool too because they're cuffed. This size does say "Baby One More Time Tour," and this one says Britney Spears. Oh my gosh. Now the back is pretty much very similar to the other one. I'm liking that. We have the tour on there of where all the cities they went to, and I love this. Oh my gosh. The script, in case you're wondering, it does say the exact same thing right here as the bottom did of the black tee, and it says Tommy Jeans right there. This is incredible. This is insane. I'm so excited to try on this one right here. I have to say, I feel like this one is probably my favorite out of the two. The sweatshirt is the same print as this, but it was like $100 and some bucks. I can't get myself to spend that with all these like Tommy Hilfiger things going on now. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. This is amazing. It fits so good. So this is a large, and this actually fits like not as oversized as I was expecting. So I'd perhaps go up a size if you're typically a large. I think I could have done like an extra large in this. There's so much hair around. I have 5 cats, don't judge me, but I think I could have done an XL in this. But either way, I mean, it's definitely a flattering fit. This is the back. Looks pretty nice. I love the cuffed sleeves. Like if you're gonna have a like long sleeve tee, the sleeves better be cuffed like this. Like that's amazing. And the neckline as well. It's a pretty good neckline. Like it's not too like into your like neck. It's sick. I love it. Let's try on this backstage pass really quick just so we could live a fantasy and pretend like we're going to see Britney Spears and meet her. Oh my god. This is so cool. I think this is cardboard, but it doesn't feel cheap. So this, of course, will be going on my display with my Britney Spears Tommy Hilfiger, you know, altar. If you want to call it my Britney Tommy altar right there. All right, guys, that is a wrap for this video. I want to make this short and fun because I definitely am looking to revisit some of the other music editions that are in this capsule. So if you're into that, let me know down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and maybe I'll check out the Backstreet Boys or the Rolling Stones or the TLC. They're all pretty sick, I must say. Like the entire capsule is pretty cool. Not a huge fan of the Rolling Stones. I don't know much about them. Please don't read me to filth, but I respect I respect the Rolling Stones. They're not really my cup of tea. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up. I would appreciate it. That goes a long way, helps out with the algorithm here on YouTube. The more likes I get, the more, you know, this video will be shared with other people to check out and help out me on my channel. Also, if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. I would love your company. Do not forget to click the notification bell because that bell is going to notify you when I upload new content. So if you want to stay in touch, click that bell. My personal Instagram is right here at @�george_Schwa if you want to follow me in there as well. One more thing, guys. If you are a huge Tommy Hilfiger fan, let me tell you, there's an Instagram page known as the House of Hilfiger. That's a page that's dedicated to all Tommy Hilfiger content of me. I basically share a lot of my collection, some up and coming Tommy Hilfiger pieces, capsules that are coming out. I keep you guys in touch on new things that are Tommy related. So it's very fun. It's definitely for a Tommy lover. So tag the Instagram account as well as hashtag House of Hilfiger to possibly be featured on my page as well. Until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.